Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about you're looking to start an online mental health focused business online. And you're wondering, what are some of the key things you need to know? What are some of the best technology platforms out there? And what are some of the key things that you need to know to make this process easier to you? If you're some form of state registered therapist or you're a coach in the health and fitness area, what are some of the key things that you need to know? Got a ton of experience at WP Tonic in helping state registered therapists or people that are in the coaching advisory space. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. So I'm coming back, folks. So you're looking to build an online business that might be a secondary source of income to help you with your physical practice, or you could be looking at just totally going online. It's a great idea. There are some platforms, some apps out there that does the whole thing for you, plus the marketing, but they take an enormous cut for this so-called help. And also you're totally under their branding umbrella, and really fundamentally you are ending up working for this app, this platform, with none of the benefits of employment. You are still self-employed, but your income is reliant on one of these platforms. In my opinion, it is useful, but it is not a great business concept. So you're looking to build something under your own branding and under your control, which I think is a fantastic idea. Or you can combine the two together, utilize one of these platforms to build your book of business, but also at the same time build your own business out as well, which I would highly recommend. Now, there are another two fundamental things that will control which pathways you're going to go. Now, if you're a state regulated therapist, mental health, you got to meet HIPAA requirements. In that, we provide a solution at WP Tonic aimed at the mental health coach, aimed at the mental health therapist, which can be totally HIPAA appliant. That includes email inbox functionality through Google Workspaces for health professionals, or through Microsoft 365. Plus, we provide a WordPress website that is managed and hosted and meets HIPAA requirements, and we manage it for you. You get the email functionality, you get a booking scheduler. The only thing that you need to purchase yourself is the video conferencing side. And we recommend that you utilize Zoom for healthcare professionals. You get the full functionality for around 150 a year, and we can set it up so it works flawlessly with your WordPress website. There are a number of SaaS solutions, software as a service, that does this. The benefits of WordPress is SEO, customization, brand building, and digital ownership. If you use a SaaS platform, you're not really owning the platform, you're just leasing it. With WordPress, you have much more control, much more ownership. Now, if you're a form of help, mental health counsellor, and you don't need Hippo. The setup is going to be more easier to do. And we also provide we provide a great platform aimed at that individual that doesn't need Hippo apply, to be a client with Hippo. You need the same core elements, a scheduler, so someone can book one-to-one sessions, to take payments through Stripe, to utilize Zoom, which is a great solution. If you're doing one-to-one, which is the majority of people, utilizing Zoom is going to be the best solution. If you need to do larger groups, Zoom does provide an option. You can pay for that as extra. That's $70 a month, or you can pay yearly, and it's around $600. But there's other video conferencing solutions that we can provide that are more cost effective. That's only proviso if you're doing group counselling, or larger webinars, that type of thing. But when it's one-to-one, the Zoom is the easiest way to go. So you get all the benefits of WordPress, the SEO, the search engine optimization. You get, with modern WordPress, you can build landing pages. We provide the inbox functionality, plus we provide the marketing and transactional functionality. That transactional email means when somebody buys a coaching session or a therapy session with you, is their invoice automatically sent to them, blah, blah, blah. We provide all that functionality at WP-Tonic. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm making more of these videos every day, aimed at people like you, basically. Also, you can book a free consultation with me. It's totally free. You can do that by going to the WP-Tonic website. You'll find all the links in the video description underneath this video. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.